This is a hadith from Sa'id al-Khudri radiyallahu anh. He said that قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, that Rasulullah صلى الله عليه وسلم said, ما من عبد يصوم يوما في سبيل الله. There is no single person who fasts for the sake of Allah. This is outside of Ramadan even, okay? This is just general fasting. When it's specifically Ramadan, I'll tell you it's specifically Ramadan. This is just fasting in general, even sunnah, nafil fasting. ما من عبد يصوم يوما في سبيل الله. There is no person who fasts for the sake of Allah إلا except بعد الله بذلك اليوم وجهه عن النار 70 خريفا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will create a distance between him and the hellfire for 70 years, or however you want to translate it. Meaning what? What is 70? A lot. Meaning Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will create by you fasting, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will create a great distance between you and the hellfire. Meaning, you're not even going to be close to the hellfire. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. We don't even want to be close to the hellfire. Because even being close to the hellfire, even from far away, can burn you. That's how hot the hellfire is. We don't even want to be close to the hellfire. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us from among them.